you're looking for the biggest Bluehost discount available right now, this video is for you, because the deal I'm about to show you saves you more money than what you'll see on Bluehost's regular website. It's an exclusive Bluehost coupon code that gives you the 78% off hosting, plus a free domain name, but only if you use the link in the description. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still get the lowest Bluehost pricing available, and lower than going directly to Bluehost on your own. Here's what makes this Bluehost deal special. Up to 78% off Bluehost hosting, free domain name included on annual plans, pricing that's lower than Bluehost's public pricing page. If you go directly to Bluehost without using the link, you'll see higher monthly prices even when they're running promotions. When you sign up with Bluehost, you'll see 5 billing options: 4-year term, 3-year term, 2-year term, 1-year term, monthly billing. Here's the important part. The cheapest pricing is on the 3-year and 4-year plans. Free domain name is only included on annual terms. Monthly plans do not include a free domain. So if you want the lowest possible price, go with the 3-year or 4-year term. That's where the biggest savings are. Now let's quickly break down the Bluehost plans so you can choose the right one. Personal plan, this is best for a single basic website. One website, 1 GB NVMe storage, good if you're just starting and want the cheapest option, but it's very limited. Starter plan, best value for most people. This is a plan most users should choose, up to 10 websites, 10 GB NVMe storage, perfect for blogs, business sites, portfolios, or if you plan to run more than one site. Business plan, this is designed for agencies, businesses, or power users, up to 50 websites, 50 GB NVMe storage, free domain privacy for the first year. If you're running client sites or want extra features and privacy, this is the best option. Here's the simple breakdown. One small site, personal plan, most beginners and website owners, starter plan, multiple sites or business use, business plan. To get this exclusive Bluehost discount, just click the link in the description below. You don't need to enter a coupon code. The discount is automatically applied when you go through the link. You'll see the reduced pricing during checkout, and you know you're getting the lowest Bluehost deal available. Now you know exactly how the pricing works, which plan makes sense, and where the real savings are. The link in the description applies the lowest available Bluehost pricing automatically. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.